Yema's Urban Traveler returns for 2025, blending classic integrated style design with modern upgrades. Originally launched in 2021 on the Wristmaster, this model now comes with a slimmer, more refined case and a reliable Cellular SW200 no-date movement. The new case measures 39 mm in diameter and 10.8 mm in thickness, about a millimeter thinner than before, offering a sleek profile that wears comfortably for daily use. The flat sapphire crystal protects a beautifully detailed sunray brushed dial, accented with a silver-toned chapter ring and applied, loomed markers and hands for excellent legibility. Dial options include deep blue, warm light brown, and classic silver, each carefully designed to highlight the applied markers and maintain that refined, urban aesthetic. The chapter ring adds a subtle contrast, giving the dial a sense of depth and sophistication. Yema offers two versatile strap options: the integrated steel bracelet with a butterfly clasp for a polished, professional look, or a modern FKM rubber strap for casual and sporty wear. Both options are priced at €990, keeping the Urban Traveler accessible yet stylish. Under the hood, the SW200 automatic movement runs at 4 Hz and offers a 38-hour power reserve. The watch also maintains 100 meters of water resistance, making it a practical companion for urban adventures. With its slimmer case, elegant sunray dial, and versatile strap options, the 2025 Yema Urban Traveler is a perfect blend of style and function, ideal for those who want a modern integrated watch without compromising on everyday wearability.